questions on this secret door build. Maybe that's because I'm not very good at making videos, but that's beside the point. So in this video, I'm just gonna do a quick answer session on a bunch of the common questions I get regarding the hinge system, the wheel, the lock, all of it. So here we go. Number one question I get, is this a safe room? There's safes in this room, but I didn't design it as a safe room. It's too small. I designed it to separate a finished living bar, bedroom area from an area where I keep my safe and all of my equipment. Question number two I always get, what type of locking system is this? It's an Electromagnetic from Amazon. It's 400-pound fail-safe electromagnet. Comes with 2 key fobs, so if I lose one, I have the second one. If I lose both of them, I can kill the power and still get into the room. Fail-safe meaning no electricity, no locking mechanism. I designed it this way because back to question one, it's not a safe room, it's just a storage room. While we're talking about the electromagnetic lock, could you use this for a safe room? Yes, you could run this into a battery powered backup. Anytime the electricity went down, your battery powered backup would power this lock, keeping the lock engaged. Also, could you get locked inside this room? No. One, in my situation, I could just unplug it. If you had no access to this and it was, say, located somewhere else where you couldn't get to it within the room, you also have a push to exit button that you could get out in any case of emergency. Pushing this button made me think you can disengage the sound mechanism, just don't hook up the wires, but I think it's kind of cool. It makes me feel like I'm buzzing myself in. On to number three. What hinges did I use and how much weight can this hold? And did I put a caster on it? So we've got 4 industrial style hinges on this inside here. And as you can hear, that rolling sound is a caster on the opposite corner. Here's those 4 commercial hinges. I did have to buy some longer screws from the hardware store to give that a little extra strength. And the caster on the back side I bought and then modified so it was adjustable. So with the weather, I can adjust it whether it's sitting too high or sitting too low. And if it ever gets too heavy, I'll put another one right next to it to help support that weight. Question number 4 I get is about the baseboard. You can tell it's a secret door because you can see, well, this is just tacked in place at the moment. There's going to be flooring that transitions from here to in there. So I'm waiting to fasten this in place until I get the height of my flooring. Question number 5, how much did it cost? It cost just under $450 and a lot of labor. So I got the door, like I said, for free. It was part of a demo job. The cabinet hardware, the lock, the plywood, just came in under $450, and then a lot of labor, like I said. And do I do this for other people? No. If I could show you the rest of the basement, you could see I have plenty of projects to do on my own. If I missed any questions, which I'm sure I did, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. I'll get to them. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As always, all the important links down in the description. You got all the socials. We'll have all the products linked down there in the description. They are affiliate links. However, I bought all of these products on my own. If you're interested in trying to recreate this build for yourself, I'll have a long form video. It's on my page. The rest of this is just different takes of the door. If you're not interested, well, we'll see you next time.